Wow guys, so I just got myself another Dji Spark. I had this before, but I kind of missed it. I sold mine, and I'm gonna have fun today. And I sold my Mavic Air, so I'm still waiting for the new drone. So this is what I got now. So it's gonna be awesome. So much money in the drone now because I sold my Mavic Air, and I also and I'm waiting for the new drone to come out. And I bought the Autel Robotics, but I have to cancel it out because there is no app for it yet, and be honest with you, it's still beta to me. So I just cancel it out and get my money. And right now I got no drone. I want to go to the beach and have fun, and I just want to get something really quick and take some cool videos with it that actually follow me doing active track or whatever I need to do. So I got me the Dji Spark because, to be honest with you, this actually is my favorite drone last year, and now 2018 I got it again. I think the reason why also because it's probably more updated to DJI. So basically whatever bugs this used to have, it's gone now, and that's a good thing. And let me tell you something guys, this is the drone that I actually use in Hurricane Irma. You're talking about extreme wind, active track, first ever on the Dji Spark. So got that thing going, got it charging, pump it up, set up my phone really quick, and hit to the beach. And so also I got this because it's around $500 something that I paid for, and I have a family members who would want this anyway. That they always gonna get it from me anyway. So even though I have it for a few days, few months, they'll buy it from me. And that's what I like about DJI, because you pay for their product and a bunch of people will want it. So anyway, again, thank you for setting it up, and like, subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.